Hi friends, this video shows what is variable refresh rate VRR and how to use it. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, go to about phone, tap here, go down, go to device identifiers. Here you can see build number. On build number we need to tap 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back, tap on system, then tap on developer options. Here you can see list of developer options. Go down and find debugging session. See debugging. Under debugging we can find show refresh rate. See, enable it, tap here, done. So now on top left corner you can see current refresh rate. It shows 60. Let me close this. Then again go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go to display, go to display refresh rate. Here you can see right now I set display refresh rate 60 Hz. That is the reason you are seeing 60 here. So I forcefully set 60 Hz display refresh rate. Okay, so it's not changing. So let me enable variable refresh rate VRR. You can select auto. Auto means variable refresh rate. Now you can see refresh rate, current refresh rate is automatically changing. Here you can see 60, 90, 120. Let me do some operation on the screen. You can see refresh rate is automatically changing. So that is a variable refresh rate. Okay, you can just enable it. Just go to settings, display, go to display refresh rate, then select auto. Just select auto. That way we can enable variable refresh rate. Okay, so now I think you understand what is variable refresh rate, how this works. So if you are playing game or if you are watching multimedia content, just enable variable refresh rate. The phone will automatically change the refresh rate based on what is going on in the phone. If you are playing game, refresh rate will automatically go to 120. So right now I am not doing any operation. See, now phone shows current refresh rate is 60. If I do something, see, it's increasing. So phone will automatically decide what refresh rate has to use. So that is a variable refresh rate or auto display refresh rate. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.